I don't think they'll build them behind the cliffs. If so, I'll be in trouble. Because even with the camera, you can't really look behind there. I don't think you can. Yeah, nope. Oh, is that it? Oh, I thought I didn't have a shovel there for a second. I found the treasure. But I can't carry anything else. What should I swap it with? Swap it. With... There. Okay, let's see what this says. Oh. Let's let's release this. On the off chance that my brother does decide to buy the game, or I get it for him, I'll give him all these DIY cards that I have, if I can. Hey, that was quick. I knew it'd be easy for you, Sarah. I can muscle it open for you. Hand it over. Hand it here, Groof. Ready to see what's inside? Some flower sunglasses. Congrats, Sarah. You won fair and square. I can't wait for a rematch, Groof. Okay, yep. Good deeds are their own rewards, but go ahead and have some.